Hello kids, welcome to my new video. First we're going to know the colors name. Orange color, red color, chocolate color, green color, blue color, purple color, black color. Now let's learn the 2D shapes: star, square, hexagon, circle, pentagon and triangle. First we're going to draw the shapes. Star, square, hexagon, circle, pentagon, triangle, now you're going to put the color. Orange color, star, blue color, square, chocolate color, hexagon, green color, circle, red color, pentagon, purple color, triangle. What we learn? We learn orange color, star, blue color, square, chocolate color, hexagon, green color, circle, red color, pentagon, purple color, triangle. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.